Hi, today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I want to introduce you to resistance bands, but not those horrible elastic plasticky ones that snap. Really good ones, the ones I use for myself with my clients. And I thought who better to actually show us how they're used, how it's done, than Zycco, the founder of Z-Bands. So he's going to actually be training me. I'm the client today, and I'm going to show you in the next 10 minutes some great exercises with his help that you can do at home. So should we just get cracking?
Let's get cracking.
So,
yeah.
When you're down here,
Yep.
where would you advise putting your feet? I always kind of say, like, so you can just touch your heels.
Touch your heels.
People don't have their feet too far away.
I always
too close.
You know what, for me, I feel like that's a good tip as well, but I always feel like it's all about comfortability. So when it comes to pushing, you want to make sure that you can get that squeeze in your glute, which is more important. So play with your feet, maybe be a bit more forward, sometimes maybe being a bit more back. You got to kind of play with it. Sometimes your feet may need to be a bit wider, sometimes your feet may need to be a bit closer, but really the most important thing is making sure that you can squeeze your glutes. If you can't squeeze your glutes, then maybe your feet aren't in the right position.
Yeah.
Everyone, we're going to start off with the black band first. The reason I like to start with the black band is a lot of people start to neglect this band, but I always like to use it as a warm-up band. So let's get you down on your back first.
So this, when you say a black band, so there's three sizes of
Yeah, there's three different sizes of the bands. So there's the blue one, intermediate, and then there's also the baby blue one, which is the advanced band as well. And we have it all coming in this little pouch. So yeah, let's start off with a simple warm-up. Lie down on your back for me. And I just want you to, from here, just open and close your hips. There we go. Not too wide, because as you can see here, Kate's, when it's the black band, when your hips get really powerful, it can really expand out. But we just want to keep the feet nice and flat and just drive out here 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Hold it on number 10. Keep the bands slightly up. Now lift up your hips from here at the top, and we're going to do a mini pulse from here with just your glutes. Push the glutes as hard as you can, and then release, and then push again. And we're going to do 10 of them, pushing the bands out again. 10. Good. That's it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then hold at the top here for me, and again slowly coming back down again, and then again opening and closing the bands 8 times this time while on the floor. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then driving up again on number 8, and then again a mini pulse 8 times again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, slowly down again, and we're going to go for just 6 reps now. Open and close again while on the floor. No, just a question. When we're up. So I'll ask you when we go up. 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, and drive the hips up, and then now. So here, just the ribs here. Yeah. Just make sure they don't go kind of too high, right? Yeah, I'd always say engage your core, but just focus more on your glutes, more so than trying to arch. Good, and we're going to do the mini pulse again. 6 reps up and down. 6, good, squeezing in the glutes, good. 5, pushing them bands out. 4, good. 3, 2, and slowly down now. Now just 4 reps, open and close 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, drive the hips up. Mini pulse 4 times again. 4, keeping them bands, keep the bands pushed out when you're doing this. It's very easy to leave that out and slowly come down. Just relax and good. Come back in there. And slowly come down to the bottom now. You want to make sure as well, the higher your bands are, the harder the movement is. I always say that, keep it to the edge of your knees, the more advanced you are. Just 2 reps now, drive up while pushing the bands out, and then 2 hip thrusts. 1, 2, slowly down now. Good, 1 more up to the top, hold it at the top now, and give me just 1 pulse. Engage your glutes as hard as you can, push the bands out as wide as you can, and from here, just want you to give me a butterfly, just 10, 9, just pushing the knees out, good, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now give me 10 reps up and down, normal hip thrust, and you should really feel those glutes working now. 10, with the knees pushed out, good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly down, and breathe. And that would be just a nice simple warm-up you can do. For those of you who are struggling a little bit with keeping the hips up and pushing and doing the little pulse that Kate was doing, all you can do is lift your hips up. If you can just demonstrate that for them, lie down on your back, hips up, and you just hold it here. hold it for that 10 seconds instead. Push the bands out as wide as you can and hold it there. But obviously, if you feel like you have it in you, you then can do that little mini pulse that you saw Kate doing as well. So it's completely up to you. You have 2 variations of how you can do that warm up and breathe. Excellent. We've moved on to the blue bands. This is the intermediate band. This is where I would start the workout now. That warm up was just to get the glutes kind of fired up, get you feeling what it should be feeling like in your glutes. So as you move on in bands, you're not kind of like, can I feel my glutes? You know you can feel them now. Yeah. Slide it on your back for me.
I could definitely feel them.
So now what we're going to do is a very, very simple thing that I like to do is slightly push the bands out, slightly push, drive up, and take 3 seconds to come down. 3, 2, 1. As soon as your bum touches the floor, drive up. And then 3, 2, 1, drive up. There's no break at the top. There's no holding. It's just 3, 2, 1, drive up and back down. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 3, 2, 1, drive up. A little bit more of a push out. Good. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 3, 2, 1, drive up. That's 6. 3, 2, 1, drive up. That's 7. 3, 2, 1, drive up. That's 8. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 9. 3, 2, 1, drive up. Hold on number 10. And now give me 10 as fast as you can. Let's go up and down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold on number 1 and then slowly down again. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 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 That's 4. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 5. 3, 2, 1, 6. 3, 2, 1, 7. 3, 2, 1, 8. 3, 2, 1, 9. 3, 2, 1, and now 10 as fast as you can again. 10, 9, 8. You should really be feeling it now. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then hold again, and we're not done. This is the last one now for the set. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 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 Even slower. 3, 2, 1, drive up. That's 5. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 6. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 7. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 8. 3, 2, 1, drive up. 9. 3, 2, 1, drive up. Hold on number 10. Hold your bum as tight as you can. 10 reps as fast as you can. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold on number 10. Push the bands out. And like we did before, the small mini pulse. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And if you're a little bit more advanced, hold it up. Open and close 10 times. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. And that completes one set if you can. And again, if you're struggling to do that push out that you saw Katie doing at the end, just put your bum down and do it on the floor, pushing your knees out. Do try to aim for like 3 sets of that with like 1 to 2 minute rest in between. For round number 2, for exercise number 2, Kate, if you can, we're going to get you onto your all fours. Perfect. And while on your all fours, all I want you to do for me is from here, drive the bands back, engage. Drive the bands back and engage. Very simple. So from here, everybody, good. Push them bands back. Good, perfect, good. 2, pushing back. 3, and again. 4.
Why are you putting that hand on my back?
I always kind of, when it comes to why I place my hand on the lower back, it's simply because I like to have a slight arch in the glute, in the lower back slightly, because then it keeps it compressed for me. I kind of, some people like to keep it straight, but also if you have a slight back pain, then I'd say focus on keeping it a bit straighter. But if you don't, I'd say put a little bit of an arch in there to really push that leg out and emphasize focusing on that glute. We're going to go for 20 reps for this one.
20?
Yeah, 20, always. 15 to 20 reps is standard when it comes to glute exercises, everybody. 13, 14.
Wishful thinking.
15, 5 more. 4 more. 3 more.
I prefer straight back.
2.
You get lower back pain.
You get lower back pain, perfect. And now hold your leg out nice and straight on number 20. Hold it here. And all I want you to do from here, where my hand is underneath, you're just going to raise the leg up ever so slightly. Good. 10, 9. Really focus.
To get it from the glutes.
Yeah, only focusing on the glute. It's not a big movement. It's a very tiny one. We're really just raising it up. Now rise it up as high as you can. Hold it here. Hold it up. Hold it there for 5. Hold it there for 4, for 3, for 2, and slowly down. Great work. And we're going to change the other side of the glute now.
I think I made that look comfortable.
It's not as when you have to do this 3 sets. By the time you get to the 3rd set, you can really feel that glute burning. And we're just keeping this one nice and simple again. As to just think of it when you're bringing out. Some people tend to kick out really crazy, but you don't want to. You want to keep it controlled. You're driving the leg back, but with power, but keeping the leg straight, focusing on engaging that glute. What number are we on?
7.
7, 8, good. And make sure your arms are straight the whole time because we want to engage that core. It's like a mini plank, so you want to make sure the arms stay straight. It can get a bit, like, build up a bit of tension in the shoulders, but over time, and you keep doing that, you will build that strength in them to keep them going. What number are we on now?
15.
15, 16, good, good control. 17, 18, 19, and then hold on number 20, hold it there, and again, we're gonna raise the leg up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and hold it up as high as you can for 5, hold it for 4, hold it for 3, 2, 1, and slowly down. And let that be counted as set number 1. You rest again for 1 minute if you can, and we go again 2 to 3 sets again. Excellent, that was great. Sorry about that, technical glitch there, people. We had to move over to the phone because the camera died, but we're not gonna stop, we're gonna keep going. So if you want to, if you can, grab the black band, you can lie down. This one, you can get comfortable, everybody. If you get comfortable for this one, you're just raising that leg up just like that, bring it down, drive up, and bring it down. And try and keep the leg in line with the hip, and you're gonna really start to feel this part to build up once we get into this a little bit.
And flex the foot.
Flex the foot, or yeah, to be fair, you can point it. To be fair, it's more important just getting that leg up.
I feel it more.
You feel it more. So
it.
play with your foot, everybody. When you get to number 10, we're gonna hold at the top of number 10. Hold at the top.
Is that 10?
Yeah, and then we're gonna just rotate. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then slowly down. And then we're gonna go for 10 again. Let's go again. For this one, we're gonna go 3 rounds again, just like we did with the previous one, with the glute bands, but especially when you're using just your body weight, you wanna aim for that, whatever circuit you kind of do, you wanna do 3 rounds of it. Again, when you get to number 10, we're gonna do another circular motion.
That's 10.
Good, and circular motion again. Hold at the top, get that leg up as high as you can, and
That's
really
already hurting.
Really try to create that circle. Imagine in your mind, you're drawing a circle on a wall. Drawing that circle. When you get to number 10, you slowly bring that leg back down again.
How is that?
Good. And bring that leg down. Good. Last 10 now on that same leg.
It's a while since I've done these.
And bring
I
it up
can
again.
feel it.
10. Good. Up and down. 9. Good. 8. Good. Really get that leg up as high as you can and bring it down with, like, control it down. Power up. Control it down. Power up. Control it down again. Good. Powering up. Control it down. Powering up, control it down, and when you get to number 10, hold at the top again and rotate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and breathe. Excellent. And that'll be counted as just one side. Switch sides, and you do the same on the other side. Then you take your minute to 30 seconds rest, and that's all you need to do for that one.
That was a corker, that one.
We're going to do a nice little Tabata to finish. So if you don't know what a Tabata is, it's very simple. It's 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. For this one, you want to probably have 10 seconds off. You wouldn't want to have there's another variation of hits that I like to do, which is 20 seconds on, 20 seconds off. But for this particular thing, we're just going to go for a Tabata. Maybe half of a Tabata if you're a beginner. You only maybe need to do 4 rounds instead of 8 rounds. So yeah. Let's get ourselves started.
Let's just do 4 today.
Yeah. So again, for the Tabata, just to be clear, it's 8 rounds, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. On your timer, it's 4 minutes, but today we're going to be doing a half Tabata. So instead of doing 8 rounds, we're going to do 4. Are you ready, Kay? So for this movement, all you got to do is come down, not a big come down, just a small one. And the main focus is just to be able to push. You want to push out the bands already.
A little bit wider than I had there, like there.
Yeah, and push the bands out, and then you're just going to do, from where you've pushed the bands out wide, you just want to do a mini pulse. And we're going to do that for 20 seconds. 3, don't worry, don't get started yet.
Oh God.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 20-second pulse. Good. Not so fast either, just when you're out wide, you just want to give it a gentle push. Good, gentle push on the edges. You're focusing on the edges of your glutes here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then hold it open if you can. If you can't, don't worry, just relax and stand up for this part if you can. But if you feel like you have the extra bit in you, hold it open. 2, 1, and pulse again. Now round number 2. As the rounds progress, you really start to feel that burn build up very, very quickly in the side of your glutes for this one.
Already feeling it.
Already feeling it. But bear in mind, you've already done stuff on your bum, so that burn will kick in even faster. 5, 4, 3, 2. Another thing I like to do is hold it open, nice and wide for 5, for 4, for 3. Then slowly work your way up to the top. Squeeze your bum and rest for 5 seconds here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly back down again and pulse again for 20 seconds. Round number 3. So we've done on the 3rd round of this Tabata. Normally you could do, as I said, 8 rounds, but we're only going to be doing 4 today. This is round number 3. 10 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it open nice and wide. Hold it open now. 10, 9. Push out as wide as you can for this part, as wide as the knees will allow you to. 4, 3, last round in 2, last round in 1. Let's go. Everything you've got. Pulse it out. 20 seconds. Pulse it out. 20. Good. Really pulse it out. As you can see, Kate is really feeling these ones. Keep it going. 15 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep pushing. 4. Keep pushing. 3. Hold it open again if you can for the last 10, 9, 8, 7. Pushing out as wide as you can. 4, 3, push out wider. 2, hold it open. 1, and drive up and squeeze your bum. And that's just 4 rounds. So even if you can get to 8 rounds, congratulations to you. Most of us will probably only get through 4. You can go through 4, rest 30 seconds, and then go for round number 2. So we're at the end of the video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that today. What was that? A warm-up? 3 simple exercises that we call them simple, but you know, when you're actually doing them, you'll realize even though they're simple, they're very challenging. And again,
They are.
Great to have Kate. Honestly, I love what she's done. I love what she does. I love her as a person and the way she keeps pushing herself and excelling in the whole PET journey and what she's done in a small amount of time. I'm glad that, hope you lot enjoy this, and going forward we're going to hopefully work together a lot more, showing you more videos, how to use these bands even more. As you can see, you get the beginner, intermediate and advanced bands that all come in the bag. So be sure to purchase yours on either Amazon or DM Kate or DM me. And if you DM Kate through Kate, you get a nice small 10% discount. So be sure to hit her up and get your discount, everybody.
And it's not a money-making scheme for me. I just think they're really, really good bands. I've had mine for years and they haven't gone all floppy. They do the job every time, and I just want other people to use them, and he's a nice guy. So DM me.
Peace. Great one, mate.